Hi everybody, and welcome to another dance tutorial of Starseed School of Dance. Today we're going to share with you how to dance the Chasse to left in Paso Doble and some different variations of it, such as basic execution, curved or turn to right, finish in promenade position and with elevations, and of course some tips for technique improvements. Enjoy! Actions used: surplus, side step, foot close with weight change, side step. Same actions are applied for the follower too. Foot position for leader: right foot in place, left foot to side, right foot close to left foot to side. Foot position for follower: left foot in place, right foot to side, left foot close to right foot to side. Chasse to left finished in promenade position. On the last step of the chasse, the foot position will be to side in promenade position, and the arms will be lowered and placed in the promenade position hold. Chasse curve to right. To change alignment or direction in the 4 steps of the chasse, we can turn up to 1/4 to right. Chasse to left can be danced with elevations, for example by doing the steps first up and after down or the opposite. The number of the steps varies, can be 2, 4 or even 8 steps. Footwork: basic, ball, 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 ball. Finished in promenade position: ball, 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 ball flat. Elevations: ball, ball, ball flat, or ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball. Partnerwork. Tips and notes: we maintain a close hold with the arms slightly raised and a close connection from thighs till the chest level. Our pelvis is tilted forward. The leader is outside of the turn and the follower is inside. The rise and the fall of the leader and the follower are in the same level. Promenade position can be applied as a finish in any manner. When we finish in the promenade position, the leader turns 1/8 to left and the follower 1/8 to the right. Timing: 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be in touch with all of our videos coming up. And check out our previous syllabus of Paso Doble basics. See you at the next one. Star.